Hi, good evening, dear students and parents. This is Kasimappa from Real Navodaya Coaching Center, Sindhururu. Dear students, from our coaching center, online and offline classes are available. Those are interested, dear students. Already admissions are going on. Please, you have to register your name and join to our institution. Okay, daily I am going to run one day Kannada medium classes, one day English medium classes, but same topic. If suppose example today I am explaining number system in English medium for English medium students, tomorrow I will explain that same topic for Kannada medium students. Okay, dear students, those are interested dears, please contact my contact number. This is my contact number 782 994 1303. This is my contact number, dear students. Please register your name and join to our institution. Okay, don't waste the time. Let's we begin the video. Okay, dear students, yes, for the Navodaya students, first chapter in arithmetic part, that is chapter 1. Chapter 1, that is number system. Number system. Here already has we know that number system is nothing but it is the systematic study of numbers. In this chapter we are going to be study about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, and prime numbers, co-prime numbers, composite numbers, with that also even numbers, hard numbers, so many etc. Many more numbers we are going to be studying in this chapter. This is very important topic for the Navodaya students. Those are at writing, those are taking classes for the Sainik school as well as Morarji and Navodaya, Kitturu, etc. For those students, this topic is very important. I am going to be run everyday classes, online classes. Those are interested, you can join online classes, or those are very near to Sindhururu, you can also join offline classes. Okay, dear students, now I am going to be dealing the topic number system. As I already told you, number system is nothing but it is the systematic study of numbers, is called as number system. In this number system, we will be as first one topic is natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers. What do you mean by natural numbers? Natural numbers is nothing but it is the set of all counting numbers. Here natural numbers is nothing but set of all counting numbers. Set of all counting numbers we are going to be called as natural numbers. Yes, the natural number set can be denoted by capital letter N. Natural number set denoted by capital letter N. N is equal to flower bracket of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to n numbers. N numbers is nothing but infinity. We can't count or uncountable. You can write here instead of this one infinity. This is a symbol for infinity, or you can also write particularly uncountable numbers. Uncountable numbers. Whatever you can write, both are right. Okay. Here they are asking you sometimes they are asking questions regarding to natural numbers. Which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest natural numbers? Yes, that is 1 is the here 1 is the smallest 1 is the smallest natural numbers. 1 is the smallest natural numbers. Is there any 0 here? No. That's why 0 is not natural numbers. 0 is not natural numbers. Here sum of first n numbers, sum of first n natural numbers. N natural numbers. Suppose they are asking sum of first n natural numbers, means sum of first n natural numbers means natural numbers as we know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus up to dot 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 plus n. This is the sum of first n natural numbers. If they can give you what is the formula for, which is the formula for sum of the first n natural numbers, that formula is summation or sigma n into n plus 1 divided by 2. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Suppose one example, sum of first 10 natural numbers. Sum of first 10 natural numbers. They may be ask you people, find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. Find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. Very simple formula, dear students, as we know that. Suppose we can be write 1 plus 2 plus dot dot plus 10. Here in place of here n, 10 is there. Same formula, yes, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Yes, keep the value in place of n. 10 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 10 plus 11. Yes, sorry, here there is no plus. Yes, here also into 10 into 11 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 5s are 10, 5 11s are 55. Yes, 2 1s, 2 5s. Yes, 5 11s are 55. Sum of first 10 natural numbers is 55. Okay, dear students, today just I gave introduction regarding to the natural numbers. In the same class, in same topic, tomorrow I will be explaining in Kannada medium students. Okay, dear students, my classes daily available. Same time, regular classes are available, dear students. Thank you.